Good, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Living a dream.
Seatbelts on. Got the best job out here, huh?
It's pretty nice,
conditioning on
man.
too?
Can't complain.
Yeah, right?
Can't complain.
The air conditioning's on too, it's perfect. The air conditioning.
I love the helmet, man.
Thank you.
It's
Appreciate
so
it.
sick.
Are y'all from up here, or y'all? Is this your first time at Road America?
Yeah.
Cool.
It is. This is mine as well, yeah.
Very cool. We'll get to show you half of it.
Nice.
Every bit of it, man.
This thing's awesome.
Oh,
Thank y'all for coming out.
thank you, man. So yeah, it's a little different than my Elantra and holy Jesus. Oh God.
Oh, sweet.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah,
Thank you.
have a good day.
Thank you.
Right side. Someone over there?
Yep.
Keep the racetrack on the racetrack, but also keep the dust down. But again, this is a high-speed racetrack. This is a risky part of the track. It really changed a lot in decades here since the track was constructed back in 1955. You can't really look around that anymore. This track has actually quite a lot of